What's going on, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about some things that we can kind of create a checklist around, some things that we can kind of go into each market session and try to stick to, right? Because the goal of all of us here, including myself, it's regardless of how many years you've been trading, whether you've just been trading for 2 months, whether you've been trading for 20 years. We need to build systems, we need to build routines, we need to make adjustments as traders. And I think that a lot of times traders, they come into the market and they're just an open book, meaning they're willing to take a trade off the open. They're willing to sit there during lunch. They're willing to sit there in power hour and try to make something back or try to add to their position or their P&L or whatever is going on. Realistically, I think we need to create time windows, right? So when I created time windows for myself, meaning I'm only going to trade the market between this time and this time, I did a lot better because it allowed me to stay focused for that specific time window. And my time window is about 3 hours long, but it's broken up into two sections, two portions. So it's off the open, New York open, and I'll sit there and I'll trade for about an hour and a half. If I get a setup that aligns with my strategy, with my edges, I will take those trades. And then it's typically about an hour to hour and a half after the market has been open. I'll take about a 30-minute break. Okay. And then I take about that 30-minute break and I kind of think about the day. Do I really want to continue to trade? What does my P&L look like? Should I just walk away on the day? Should I lock in the gains? Kind of have that conversation with myself. And then I come back for about another hour and see if anything else has developed that is going to align with my strategy. So I think one of the first things that you need to do as a trader is start to back test. Okay. So you want to back test and then you want to look at specific time windows. Okay. So maybe your strategy doesn't perform well off the open. That's fine. No one says you need to trade off the open. Maybe you're a little bit more of a reversal style trader where you are looking to catch a reversal off the open, maybe a little bit into lunch. Okay. Maybe you are a range bound scalper where when we're in a tight range consolidating, you do very well scalping from the bottom. You do very well scalping from the top, very well scalping from the bottom, right? Or maybe you like when price action has digested and things have kind of slowed down a lot and you're looking for kind of that either end of day reversal or that end of day continuation, right? So there's multiple different ways to trade the market. There's multiple different ways to build an edge. I think creating that time window is ultimately going to be of benefit to you. The next thing is patience. Now, we hear it all the time as a trader. Patience, patience, patience. But what exactly does patience mean to a trader? Okay. What exactly does practicing patience mean? Well, a lot of times we come into the session and we have an overall outline or we have a strategy or a setup that we're looking for. And sometimes we take those specific trades hoping or expecting them to win. And when they don't win, because again, this is a game of probabilities, you're going to win trades, you're going to lose trades. A lot of times our ego, and because we've done so much homework and back testing and we've seen someone else do it and have success, and that trade does fail and it doesn't work out to your benefit, you immediately go off script and you start to play the reversal off of your move. Meaning, let's say your setup was a long setup and that setup got stopped out, and automatically you're flipping short, and automatically you're looking for the next bounce, and automatically you're just going outside of the realm of what you came in looking to do. And a lot of traders get lost in that process because they get fixated on what's going on with the P&L instead of getting fixated on what they need to be looking for in the charts. So practicing patience by only taking setups that align with your strategy is going to be very, very key. Practice these two things. I think you're going to have a lot more success as a trader. And again, if you want to know more and how you can expand on this, make sure to leave me a comment down in the description box below or join the Discord that's down in the description box below. I'll see all of you guys on the next video.